In this Builders demo, we're going to walk through how to create and sign documents, all from the Salesforce app. This walkthrough will show you how to use Formstack Salesforce app, Formstack Documents, and Formstack Sign to update prospective student records in Salesforce, collect new student data, and sign important documents. Quickly learn how to build higher ed forms in Salesforce, generate documents, and send documents for signature. To get started, let's log into Salesforce. Head over to the App Launcher and choose Formstack Documents app. Select the Documents tab and choose New Document. You'll be prompted to give your document a title. You have the option to upload a Microsoft document, Excel spreadsheet, PowerPoint, or PDF. Start with a Formstack Documents example template, or use the document builder to create your document from scratch. For this example, we're going to build our template using the document builder. Next, choose how you want to deliver your populated document. Finally, we need to choose where our data is coming from. In order to sign our document, we'll need to let Formstack Sign know where to populate our signatures. Select where you want your signature to populate. On the right-hand side of the screen, select Insert. Here you'll see a drop-down list of preset fields you can add to your documents. Scroll down to the e-signature tag. Here we'll choose the Formstack Sign option and insert a signature tag. We'll also insert a date tag. Before you save, you'll want to change the color of your e-signature tags to white. This way, they won't show up when we populate our signatures. Here's a look at our final prospective student enrollment form once we've added our merge fields. Now we can test and save our document. On this Test tab, you can double check that all of your fields are accurate and working. Now let's set up our delivery. When we first set up our document, we said we wanted to share signed documents with prospective students by email. So Formstack Documents has started our message for us. We'll use a merge field to send our document directly to the email address included by the student on their form. We can update the subject line and body of our email. Next, we'll set up our e-signature delivery. You'll find Formstack Sign right at the top. Give your message a subject and use merge fields to pull in your prospective student's name and email. We're planning to use a custom Salesforce object for this workflow. So we're going to head over to our Settings tab and select Add a New Object. Then we're ready to get started on our mapping. On the Mapping tab, select New Mapping. Give your mapping a name, select your Salesforce object, and choose your document. Once you save your mapping, Formstack Documents will bring in the Salesforce fields you can match to merge fields in your documents. Match up your fields and hit Save. For our next step, we're going to head over to Salesforce. Select Setup and use the Quick Find function to search for Process Builder. Select New. We'll give our process a name and let Salesforce know we want the process to start when a record changes. First, we'll add our prospective student object. We don't need any special criteria for this process, so you can just choose No Criteria, just execute the action. For immediate actions, we're going to choose Apex. Our Apex class will be Generate Document. For Salesforce field reference value, we'll choose prospective student's name. Next, you'll need to refer back to your prospective student enrollment form mapping number. Copy and paste that number under Value. Select Activate. Now it's time to build your form. Head over to the Formstack Salesforce app and select Create a New Form. Give your form a name and select the primary object you'd like to work with. Now we'll simply drag and drop the Salesforce fields we want to collect data about into our form. These fields all automatically pull in the Salesforce field label, but you can easily update these field labels if you need to so they make sense to your end user. Head over to Form Settings. Here we'll customize our Submit label and message. It's time to publish our form. We're going to turn on our dynamic prefill option so prospective students are able to update their submission. For example, if a student were to retake the ACT and achieve a higher score, they can update their information with this form. Let's grab the link to our form and run a test. Once the student hits Submit, they'll receive a link by email to review and sign off on their information. Back in the Formstack Salesforce app, we can see the submitted data and the newly populated Salesforce record. Let prospective students take charge of their data and free up time for your admission staff with this enrollment workflow. For more workflow tutorials like this one, check out the other videos in our Builder series, and subscribe to our channel to get notified when new videos come out.